This is an informational video about the 4 different physics courses offered at Wayzata High School. First of all, what is physics? Well, in physics we study forces in motion as well as waves in light. So all physics classes are going to do things like learn how forces affect motion, like the friction between the tires of a car and the road, or how energy is conserved during motion, as in roller coasters, how momentum is conserved during collisions in sports, how and why objects move in circles, like moons around planets. Why do you sometimes get shocked when you reach for something metal? And why we see certain colors, like why is the sky blue? We have 4 different first-year courses in physics, and this is a little different than some of the other science classes. What we mean by 4 first-year classes is that you can actually take AP Physics 1 and 2 or AP Physics C without having taken Physics or Physics X. So you just choose one of the 4 as your first-year class. Physics and Physics X are both 2-term courses. AP Physics 1 and 2 and AP Physics C are 3-term courses. The prerequisites are listed by each course. Physics has a prerequisite of Algebra 2 or Accelerated Algebra 2. Physics X, Pre-Calc or Accelerated Pre-Calc X. Physics 1 and 2, AP Physics 1 and 2 has a prerequisite of Pre-Calc or Accelerated Pre-Calc X as well. And then finally, AP Physics C has a prereq of AP Calculus AB. Now it's important to note that while these are all prereqs, any of these math classes could be taken concurrently with the respective physics class. All 4 of these classes have been designed so that the student has about 20 to 30 minutes of homework per night, assuming that the student has chosen the appropriate level. All of these classes can expect to have labs about 2 days per week, and all of these classes will experience similar demonstrations of physics. The concepts that are going to be taught in all 4 classes are kinematics, forces, energy, and momentum, and these are the concepts of mechanics, as well as sound, light, electricity, and magnetism, which are going to be the concepts of waves. Some physics classes do go through a few additional topics as well. Let's start by taking a little bit of a deeper dive into each course. So physics. In physics, a large emphasis is placed on conceptual understanding in addition to algebraic calculations. Physics X is similar to AP Physics 1 and 2, but missing a few topics. It is trigonometry based, so one large difference from physics is problem solving using the components of vectors. Students will have the opportunity in this class to write informal lab reports. In AP Physics 1 and 2, students will have experiences to be able to take both AP Physics 1 and AP Physics 2 tests. It is similar to Physics X, but a heavier emphasis on qualitative analysis and explanations in both evidence-based writing and calculations. It will be more independent problem-solving opportunities than X. We often find questions that bring back content from prior units for a more comprehensive understanding of the connection between concepts. This is a typical first-year college course for non-physics and non-engineering majors. Students will have the opportunity in this class to write informal lab reports. And then finally, we have AP Physics C. In this class, students will have experiences to be able to take both AP Physics C Mechanics and AP Physics C Electricity and Magnetism tests in May. Similar to AP Physics 1 and 2 in rigor, but an emphasis on problem solving using calculus. This is what a typical first-year college physics course would look like for physics and engineering majors. Students will have the opportunity to write informal lab reports in this class. We have 5 teachers in our physics department. On this slide, everyone's name is listed as well as their email address. You can also see which courses these particular teachers teach. So if you have specific questions about any of the individual courses, please feel free to reach out to any one of us.